So yan, good morning and good morning ulit. Kala ko may tao ba? So nandito ako ngayon sa may gubat and enjoying right now yung nature, the sun, the sun, and just practicing taking a video of myself using the rear camera. Hindi ko nakikita yung face ko. And hopefully maganda yung pagka-capture sa akin since this is a new practice walk for me. Not the usual because I'm kind of tired na just staying at home. So it's better to walk right now. And I didn't know, but it's worth it. Maglakad-lakad sa forest with the trees, with the sky. Pang hinihigop nila yung parang ano ba yung sobrang too much strain on the mind due to scrolling and lots of worry in life na sometimes, but most of the time worry is wala naman talaga siyang nasasolve na problem but just increases yung cortisol. And kapag nandito ako naglalakad with the grass, basa yung grass and the trees, parang nawawala yung sumasaya ako ba naturally, honestly. It's so different. And that's it. So last night may nakausap ako and siguro I'm just nanibago lang siguro in talking with people because I used to just be alone and talking with ChatGPT. And so I realized na well, humans are humans. Even me, meron din akong flaws. And that's fine. So yun lang, my realizations is that it's really best to walk sa forest and allow you to hear the birds, not just to see nature sa screen ng phone. It's really the best to explore and experience the nature itself. So later I'll try to upload this on yeah, it's really amazing. It's so freeing, it's so relaxing and refreshing that nature is really a blessing. And it's so refreshing to walk and to see the nature again and breathe yung, I don't know what it's called, I forgot, yung maamoy mo yung mga basa na hamog ng sa dahon ba sa grass. And it's so amazing, as in just by walking and just seeing the sun and the sky, ang ganda. I don't know, but I'll try to look again. Oh yeah, it's still recording. And hopefully my face is presentable. I was just amazed na the nature has its own way of healing the body. I really see that it's really designed to enjoy with the nature in itself. And of course God, acknowledging God that He is the one empowers this world. I don't know. Just kind of wary of looking at the camera. I don't know, pagka nakatingin ako sa sun, even if puyat ako and kaya kulang yung sleep. Kapag nakatapat ako sa sun, it really feels recharging. Pang nalilesen yung feeling ko na puyat ako. I don't know. It really feels different. Yung warmth ng sun. Tingnan mo itong itong gagamba. It's amazing. I don't know. Hindi siya hindi siya ma-focus ng something. I don't know. Sorry. Hindi siya ma-focus. Well, gano'n lang talaga yan. Yung capabilities nasa tayo, mobile. But yeah, it's so amazing that I am able to walk and enjoy the nature and see some white butterflies. Just look at that. Oh, na dumilim pala yung camera. Yeah, hinanap ko yung butterfly. Adjust natin. I just don't know, but it feels amazing. Look at that. Ayun, ang daming butterflies. Oh. Tatlo. Wala lang. And also the sound of the birds in the sky. It's so amazing. It really feels refreshing actually. And yeah, it's really refreshing and at the same time relaxing na just walk in the nature. You know what I realized when you could really pray. I saw this comment that when you could worry, when you can worry, and when you have time to worry, then you have time to pray. I believe that we are designed to be dependent with God. That's what I realized. Look at the sun. Yeah. It's so amazing, honestly. Just to enjoy the nature in itself. Well, this is the video that proves. This is a proof na naglakad ako sa nature. And I don't know if what will happen in the next years to come. It's 2026 right now, and in 2030, so something will change. And I think medyo neutral pa yung digital ID. But what will really change is that if integrated na ang AI in every digital space, na wala na siyang option to turn it off. Pero for sure, kailangan pa rin ng toggle to turn it on and turn it off. Because we still have to prove that humans are higher sa AI. Excuse me. Even though AI has a lot of collective wisdom. Wow, just amazing yung mga puno na nakikita ko right now. And itong papaya na puno. Then itong mangga. I was just wondering paano tutubo itong mangga. But anyway, for last words. Last words before this video ends is that it's totally fine to take things slow. It's totally fine. And if it feels getting out from all of your social media, I think, and it will save you from declining mental health and for your sanity, please do it. Yeah, I just realized that social media is not the same anymore last 10 years ago, because it really feels like more of a stage na right now, and everyone is a brand artist, an opportunity to be a celebrity. Sorry, an opportunity to be a celebrity. All in all, thank you.